Yes! Hey, yo! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, today, we'll be reacting to some people new. In fact, I'm here for the first time. So, I have a confession. Alright? So, the reason why I'm here today reacting to these people is because in my country, Jamaica, I'm not sure if these people's song plays or is there anyone in my country literally are fans of these artists. So I'm traveling to various parts of the world and different variation of artists that is already resignated in that particular country. I'm here to check them out to see what they're capable of and to be a fan of their music apart from my Jamaican cultural diaspora. Okay, so I guess this competition is called SANREMO 2025. I guess it's a competition going on now, and persons that I'll be reacting to, she's called Giorgia, Annalisa, Cantano. The song is called Skyfall. So, one question: do anyone who's watching this video knows Jamaican legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, let's all venture together. Peace.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10.
Wow, her voice is remarkable. I am loving it. I am loving it. Hey, yes, yes, yes.
Feel the earth move and then hear my heart burst again. For this is the end. I've run and dreamed this moment, so overdue I owe them. Swept away, I'm stolen. Let the sky fall. When it crumbles, we will stand tall and face it all together. Let the sky fall. When it
Yes! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my goodness! Woo! Whoa! Fire, bro! Fire! Fire! No, man! No, man! No! No! These women, bro, like, yo, they're totally outstanding. Like, these voices are gold. Pure gold, man. Woo! Woo!
crumbles, we will stand tall, face it all together at skyfall. At skyfall. Skyfall is where we start. 1,000 miles and poles apart. When words collide and days are dark, you may have my number, you can take my name, but you never have my heart. Let the sky fall. When it crumbles, we will stand tall and face
Nice! Nice! Yeah! Oh yeah! Yo, I'm feeling it! I'm feeling goosebumps rushing all over my entire body, bro. Whoa! Whoa! No way! Ain't no freaking way! Ain't no freaking way! No, man. These two are powerhouses, harmonious voices, vocalizing voices, voices that can let you to sleep instantaneously to all these voices are very peacefully sounding good. No way. Absolutely no way, dog. Like crazy.
Where you go, I go. What you see, I see. I know I'd never be me without the security of your loving arms. Keep me safe from harm. Put your hand in my hand and we'll stand. The sky falls, when it crumbles, we will stand tall, face the all together. Let the sky fall, when it crumbles, we will stand tall, and face it all.
No, crazy. Okay, crazy, crazy. Whoa, superb, superb, stunning voice, stunning voices, excellent love song. Whoa, this one took me by storm. That was unexpected, but bro, I'm not a fan of these two females. Like, I cannot go ahead and not become a fan of them. No, I'll be go deeper into their music because trust me, I'm loving this music, bro. Music with substance, music with light, music with life, and music that you can play forever. These type of music I will resonate myself with, bro. Trust me, I'm not a fan of these two females. They are making some international movement. Damn.
Together at Skyfall. Let us Annalisa, Giorgia, signore e signori!
Woo! Rah, rah, rah. I gotta say, that was totally an astonishment. That was enjoying, bro. These females killed it. So, if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Stay tuned, man, because I'll be now diversing deeper into these females and a lot more on this channel. So, subscribe for more and stay tuned for my reactions, man. Peace.